Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel, and today we'll be making some delicious mangonadas. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a frozen dessert made out of mangoes. For this recipe, we'll be using 1.5 cups of mango nectar or juice, 2 cups of ice, 2 cups of frozen mangoes, half a cup of frozen mango for dressing, 1 lime cut in half, some Tajin, and some Chamoy. And these 2 items can be found at any Mexican carniceria or meat market, or you could also find it at Kroger or Walmart. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add our 1.5 cups of mango nectar. We're gonna add our 2 cups of ice, our 2 cups of mango chunks. We're gonna squeeze 1 lime in there. That's half. And if you don't have one of these, you can easily use your hand like this, okay? And now we're gonna cover it up. And we're gonna come over here to the aceblender and we're gonna go under smoothie. Okay? And we're gonna go ahead and dress this cup. We're gonna go ahead and add some lime right here on the rim. We're gonna add some Tajin here in this plate. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and grab our glass and circle it around here. Ta-da! We're gonna go ahead and get our chamoy and pour it on our glass. Okay, I like a lot of chamoy. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of circle it around here so all the glass can get some chamoy, right guys? Bam, check that out guys. Okie. And now we're gonna add our pieces of mango. And some more Tajin. And voila! That's super good guys. This would be perfect after a hard day's work. Alright guys, give this video a like, a thumbs up, comment down below if you want me to try different recipes, and remember, only the strong subscribe.